This is a message from the emergency alert system. Please stand by for an important national announcement. This is a national emergency at 10:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Federal Emergency Management Agency issued a Level 5 emergency warning in response to a hostile frequency broadcast detected across the continental United States. A radio frequency signal of unknown origin is being transmitted via televisions, radios, smartphones, and internet-connected speakers. Exposure to this signal for longer than 60 seconds results in extreme psychological instability, aggression, and violent behavior. Emergency rooms nationwide are reporting high volumes of incidents related to signal-induced violence. Turn off all electronic devices immediately. Do not use televisions, radios, or smart speakers under any circumstances. If you hear a high-pitched, distorted signal, disconnect power to the device. Shelter in place, lock all doors. Do not trust individuals showing unusual behavior, even if they are family. This is not a test. Destroy all devices capable of audio broadcast. Avoid all signal sources. Further instructions will follow on government-sanctioned radio channel 770 AM and through military broadcast only. Do not trust non-official signals.